When does the infield fly rule apply to fly outs in baseball? Imagine a game where a routine pop-up suddenly becomes a game changer. That's where the infield fly rule comes into play, but when exactly does it apply? Let's break it down so you can understand how it impacts fly outs and the game itself. The infield fly rule kicks in during specific situations to prevent unfair plays. It applies when there are fewer than 2 outs in an inning. If there are 2 outs, the rule does not come into effect. Next, there must be runners on first and second base, or on first, second, and third bases. These are the situations where first plays are possible and the rule is relevant. Now the batter must hit a fair fly ball that can be caught easily by an infielder using only ordinary effort. This means the ball is not a line drive or a bunt, but a regular pop-up that an infielder can catch without much trouble. When these conditions are met, the umpire will call out infield fly, and the batter is automatically out. This call is made regardless of whether the infielder catches the ball or drops it intentionally. The purpose is to protect the base runners from a deceptive tactic where a fielder might let the ball drop to create a double or triple play. Without this rule, runners could be forced to run, risking easy outs for the defense. It's important to remember that the ball remains live after the call. Runners can choose to run or stay, but they do so at their own risk. The rule only removes the forced play, meaning runners are no longer required to advance. From a stats point of view, the infield fly rule influences how fly outs are recorded. It prevents artificially inflated double or triple play statistics from routine pop-ups. It keeps traditional batting stats like fly outs consistent and fair. So, to sum it up, the infield fly rule applies to fly outs when there are fewer than 2 outs, runners on first and second or bases loaded, and a fair fly ball that an infielder can catch with ordinary effort. It's there to keep the game fair and prevent tricky plays that could give the defense an unfair advantage.